Why Turkish Airlines wants Air Europa. Turkish Airlines could be about to make one of the biggest strategic moves in European aviation. The airline has reportedly explored opportunities involving Air Europa, Spain's third-largest carrier. But this isn't simply about buying another airline. It's about gaining access to one of the most important aviation markets in the world. Turkish Airlines already flies to more countries than any other airline. From its hub in Istanbul, it has built an extensive network connecting Europe, Asia, Africa and North America. However, one region remains particularly attractive: Latin America. That's where Air Europa becomes interesting. Based in Madrid, Air Europa operates an established network connecting Europe with destinations across Latin America, including Buenos Aires, São Paulo, Havana and Santo Domingo. Building that network from scratch would take years. Acquiring or partnering with Air Europa could provide Turkish Airlines with immediate access to these growing markets and strengthen its position on transatlantic travel flows. The timing is no coincidence. Across Europe, airline consolidation continues to reshape the industry. Lufthansa Group has expanded through acquisitions, while IAG, the parent company of British Airways and Iberia, has long viewed Air Europa as a strategic asset. A Turkish Airlines move would introduce a powerful new competitor into the equation. Madrid has become one of Europe's most important gateways to Latin America. Combined with Istanbul's position between Europe, Asia and the Middle East, the two hubs could create an incredibly powerful global network. For passengers, this could mean more connectivity and greater choice. For competitors, it could mean increased pressure on some of the world's largest airline groups. Of course, any deal would face regulatory scrutiny and competition concerns. Airline ownership rules, market concentration and route overlap would all be closely examined. But the strategic logic is clear. This isn't really about Spain. It's about gaining access to one of the most valuable long-haul aviation markets in the world. For Turkish Airlines, Air Europa could represent a shortcut to faster growth, greater influence and a stronger position in global aviation. If a deal eventually happens, it could reshape competition across Europe, strengthen links with Latin America and further cement Turkish Airlines as one of the industry's most influential carriers. And that's why the aviation world is watching closely. This is Aviation IQ.